Hi, this video is part of the English course A1 Code 900001505. Activity Task for Speaking. Julie Villanueva, Neiva, May 2019. My personal presentation. My name is Julie Villanueva. I am 30 years old. I am from Ibagué, Colombia, but I live in Neiva with my husband and my son. My studies. Professional in business administration in 2010. She is my friend Viviana. This photography is in my degree specialization in pedagogy in 2014. He is my uncle. Your name is Humberto. She is my grandmother. Your name is Olinda. And she is my sister. Your name is Lucy Joana. Actuality, my studies, I study master degree in management of organization. These are my course. For example, English. My work. I am a teacher in the Uniminuto University. These photography are in class. Other photography, degrees, institutional promotions. My hobbies. My hobby is go to gym. I like aerobics. My favorite TV show is The Partner. Other hobbies, I like play Candy Crush Saga and I like go to more. My favorite sport is football, but no play anymore. Watch it and celebrate. Other hobby, I like drive my car. I like take pictures with my son and my husband. My husband is Oscar Benavides. He is 33 years old. He is a teacher. He is from Ibagué, but he lives in Neiva. He has brown eyes and black hair. He is tall and friendly. He works at the UNAD University as the leader of the southern zone of the Ekasen School. My husband. This 10th of December 2018, we celebrate 12 years together. My marriage was December 17, 2011. My husband. For his work, he traveled, for example, he traveled to Barranquilla. This picture is in Barranquilla. And Paipa, Colombia. Husband family. His brother May, Juan Carlos. His younger brother, Dairo. She's his mother. Your name is Maria. And he is Nelson, his dad. My son. Our son, Juan Antonio, is Juan Antonio Benavides Villanueva. He is 2 years old. He studies at the Kid Be Happy Garden. He likes eat ice cream. His favorite activity is play at the mechanic attraction and the cinema. Your costume, Captain American, Pirate, other information family. Our family, our favorite activity is travel. For example, trip to Ibagué. These photos are in Santa Marta. This river is in Lerida, Tolima. These photos are in the Santa Marta. Okay, these photos are in Girardot, Cundinamarca. Traditional folklore festival in June and July are very funny. This dancing. We are very happy because buy new car in April. In general, we are happy family. Thank you.